Hi, my name is Hector Perez. Welcome to the course Mastering Solid Principles and Classic Design Patterns. I am a Microsoft MVP and software developer with more than 10 years of experience. Solid principles and classic design patterns are fundamental for any software developer aiming to create clean, modular, and maintainable code. These principles and patterns form the foundation of many best practices in software development. In this course, you will learn the 5 solid principles: single responsibility, open-closed, list-cup substitution, interface segregation, and dependency inversion, and understand how to apply them to write clean and maintainable code. Next, we will dive into the 23 classic design patterns laid out by the Gang of 4. These patterns are divided into 3 categories: creational, structural, and behavioral patterns. Each pattern solves a specific design problem, encouraging code reusability and making your software easier to understand, scale, and maintain. Throughout the course, you will learn the fundamental concepts required to write high-quality code, supported by numerous coding demos to better familiarize yourself with the solid principles and design patterns. All the demos are available for download, so you can work along with me or explore at your own pace. By the end of the course, you will have mastered the solid principles and the Gang of 4's design patterns, and be able to write efficient, maintainable, and scalable code. Some of the topics we will cover in the course are: Introduction to Solid Principles, understanding and applying each solid principle, Introduction to Gang of 4 design patterns, deep dive into creational, structural, and behavioral patterns, among other topics. To get the most out of the course, it is recommended to have basic knowledge of software development and object-oriented programming. What are you waiting for to become an expert in modern software development with solid principles and Gang of 4 design patterns? See you in the course.